by cutting out the leaf template. Fold the colored paper in half at the middle of the long side of the paper, with the colored side of the paper inside the fold. Make sure to match up the edges. Use the leaf template to trace a cutting line on the colored paper. Make sure the long straight edge of the template matches up with the folded edge of your paper. You can cut several pieces of paper at one time. Unfold the paper. Starting at the wide edge of the leaf, fan fold or accordion fold the paper in approximately ½ inch wide increments. Once you have folded the entire leaf, smooth down the folds so they are nice and crisp. Fold the leaf in half with the longest edge of the leaf inside the fold. This long side will actually be the center of the finished leaf. Unfold the leaf and place glue along the long edge. Place a pipe cleaner across that edge, perpendicular to the edge, in the middle, right along the fold you made in the previous step. Refold the leaf. Smooth the two long edges, making sure they match up. Make sure the entire edge is glued and no white edges show. Twist the two ends of the pipe cleaner together so they look like a stem. Hanging loops with an overhand knot on each end of your rope. Place your leaves in evenly spaced increments along the rope. Twist the pipe cleaners onto the rope so the leaves stay in place.